off as well. Ultimately, it is to the other side, and the Leopards have put it in the net. Samuel Sebo. He just didn't turn on time. This is Sichenje cutting it back. It is in the net. It's the Leopards again. Of a set piece like this one, carves it nicely. It's in the net again for Shabana. Almost looking exactly. Sinyonjo has got 10 caps so far to his credit. This one, the goalkeeper was so far off his line, and how did he lose this one? The goalkeeper is up in arms. But that's why we say the whole of the ball must be touching the line, and this one is in the net. 3 on 3 on the right side, having all the extra men. It's in the net. This is what you call a rout here, with the Leopards taking advantage.
I believe in the defense line, we gave them big space. We have conceded like 2 goals through open play, so through passes. So we opened up our defense, and that's how they managed to beat us.
We've been creating chances with not scoring, but at least been working on it, and thank God today it came in. The players really made the fans happy. I'm happy for that.